It's a known fact that whatever we say after I am comes true because words cast a powerful spell. That's why it's called spelling. Every word has a different frequency on which it vibrates. So it can either uplift our mood or bring it to a downhill. So today I will tell you about the most dynamic, easiest and the most quickest way by which you can manifest your desires, and it can also help in healing. And all this by the power of words. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मैं हूँ याचना गुलाटी, न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट एंड टैरो कार्ड रीडर, एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी शब्दों की ताकत के बारे में। So before I tell you what are these switch words, let me tell you I have also uploaded a video the last time also on switch words, and this was actually a Q&A video, and I received a lot of comments and queries that this video was not able to give you that much information, so I decided to upload a video here again on YouTube so you can get all the informations about switch words and how you can use them, what is the purpose and how do they actually work. So let's begin and know the secret behind them. I request all of you to see the full video because in the end there's a little surprise for you, and I will be sharing 3 very important switch phrases that will really help you to manifest your desires. Switch words. Switch words are those words which actually helps you to switch your energy from one state to another. Let's say a human mind actually varies from 3 states: positive, neutral and negative. Positive state of mind क्या होती है? When we are happy, when we are creative, we are just full of positive energies, we feel blessed and we are also very grateful. And when we are negative, we are feeling depressed, we are sad, we are angry, we are hurt, we feel that we are not able to cope up with all the issues which are happening in our life. And then there is a state in the middle of these two, which is the neutral state. The neutral state of mind is when we are just going with the flow of life. We are not questioning, neither we are happy nor we are sad, but we are just going with the flow. So switch words are those words which actually help you to switch your energy from that negative state of mind to that neutral or the positive state of mind. And all this depends upon your intention and also what switch words you are using. You have to use the right switch words. So those switch words actually help you to connect your desires, your intentions to the universe. And what else does the universe does? It actually brings those desires to fulfillment. We see those desires in reality, and ultimately we thank the universe for fulfilling it. इससे पहले कि हम ये देखें दैट स्विच वर्ड कैसे काम करते हैं, हमें ये समझना होगा दैट हमारा माइंड कैसे चलता है। हमारा माइंड 2 हिस्सों में बटा हुआ है, कॉन्शियस एंड द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड। कॉन्शियस माइंड इज व्हेन वी आर अलर्ट, हमारा 100% अटेंशन है और हम 100% फोकस है कोई चीज करने के लिए। एंड आवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज एक्चुअली मेड अप ऑफ आवर हैबिट्स, हमारे पैटर्न्स, हमारे डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो अ मेमोरी ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव बिलीव्ड इन, आवर वैल्यूज, आवर बिलीफ। सो अगर हम देखें तो हमारे डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज में only 5% of the subconscious mind is used and 95% of our work is done by the subconscious mind. In fact, our subconscious mind is so powerful that if we start believing in something subconsciously, nobody can stop it to manifest it. And that's where the switch word comes. When you repeatedly speak the switch words, और जब हम बार बार उन switch words को लिखते हैं with our full intention, those things, those words actually work on our subconscious mind. And जब हमारे subconscious mind की pre-programming पे वो work करते हैं, it generates immense power, and that powers help you to connect with the universe, and universe in turn helps you to manifest the desires of yours. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ चाहिए होती है। सबसे पहली चीज़ चाहिए इंटेंशन। आपका इंटेंशन बहुत ही क्लियर होना चाहिए, बहुत पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए एंड बहुत ही अच्छी फीलिंग्स के साथ आप जो भी विश मैनिफेस्ट करो, आप इंटेंशन हमेशा अपना पॉजिटिव रखो। सेकेंड चीज़ जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट आती है, क्लैरिटी। योर क्लैरिटी ऑफ द विश, क्या आप मांगना चाहते हैं, क्या आप चाहते हैं, उसको लेके बहुत ही क्लियर और क्रिस्प माइंडसेट होना चाहिए। थर्ड थिंग इज द राइट स्विच वर्ड्स। क्या स्विच वर्ड आप यूज कर रहे हैं, क्या वो आपके विश के साथ सिंक्रोनाइज करता है या नहीं करता, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड ये तीनों चीजें एनसर्कल अप होती है वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग एंड दैट इज फेथ। हैव फेथ इन दिस टेक्निक व्हेनेवर यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग। आप कोई भी ऑल्टरनेट थेरेपी से अगर मैनिफेस्ट करें, व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज यू रियली नीड टू हैव सम फेथ एंड पुट योर 100% इंटेंशन दैट yes, it will work for me. There are 4 techniques by which you can use the switch words. सबसे पहली technique is by writing. As we say, when we write anything, it automatically get registered in our subconscious mind. So, with pure intention and with the right feeling, write the switch word for at least 28 times for 42 days each and every day. And whenever you're writing, just make sure that you have a separate notebook to write these switch words. And write it with a red pen, because red is the color of manifestation and red is also the color of energy. So whenever you're writing your switch words with red color, it automatically gives your switch word the energy. And once you're done with writing all the switch words and your notebook gets completed, just make sure that you keep that notebook in some place safe where nobody can touch it. Either you can keep it in your temple, your mandir, or the place where you keep all your books. Just make sure that you do not keep it anywhere which people can see it or maybe can open it. Just guard that notebook very well. The second most important technique by which you can manifest this switch word technique is by chanting. Chant this switch words for 108 times for 42 days or 28 times for 42 days. And it's a very good practice if you chant your switch words 30 minutes after you get up in the morning or 30 minutes before you sleep, because that is the time when the window to your subconscious mind gets open. And whenever you chant those switch words during that time, it gives the most beneficial results. And also, if you are a person who is involved in meditation or in any kind of alternate therapies, once your mind is calmed by doing any kind of meditation or any kind of therapies, just chant those switch words at that time and see the magic happening. The third way by which you can use the switch words is by writing it on your left forearm by a red pen. Yes, the approach is quite different, but it actually works, because when you have written the switch word on the left forearm, you are able to see it every time, and whatever you see get registered in your subconscious mind. Just make sure that you are writing the switch words in all block capital letters with spaces. The fourth way by which you can use the switch word is write that switch word on a piece of paper and encircle it with a circle. Make sure that you're writing the switch word and making the circle by a red pen, and put that paper in front of you. So whenever you see that paper and you chant that switch word, that energy gets transferred to the universe. Now is the time when I will tell you the 3 most important switch words that can really help you in your day-to-day lives. Yes, you will hear a lot of switch words. There are millions of switch words you will see, maybe read or get to know from somebody. But in this video, I will tell you the 3 most important switch words that will really help you. The first switch word that I'm going to tell you is going to help you with money matters, with financial matters, that will really upscale your finances, that will help money come to you, that will help you attract money in your life. And that switch phrase is count money. Yes, very simple, very easy, but it has a lot of benefits. So this switch phrase will actually help you to level up your financial game. And don't just think that once you will start using the switch word you will get endless money in your life. No, that will definitely take time, and we really wish that you get that endless amount of money in your life. But this switch phrase will actually open up opportunities for you, that will open up and give you a lot of financial stability in life. Let's say if a person is struggling with job, let's say if a person is struggling with the business and it is giving them a financial crunch. In those situations, when you really want the opportunities to open up, when you really want money flow to come easily to you, use this switch phrase, count money. That will actually elevate your financial ladder. The second switch phrase is very important these days. Due to this lockdown time, due to this corona times, everyone has become very sad, depressed, and they're very anxious. So what we need is, we need love, we need care, we need attention. So जो लोग अपने relationships में maybe they are not happy with their existence, or maybe they are questioning their self-love, their self-worth. So this switch word is for them. The switch word is divine flow love. Divine flow love. Yes, divine is that switch word that helps you connect with the divinity. Flow brings abundance. Flow brings that stream. And love, definitely what we are asking for is love. So divine flow love will bring in lot of love, harmony and peace in your life. Lastly, I will share with you a switch word that I also use in my day-to-day life, and it works wonders for me. This switch word actually helps to overcome any kind of difficulties or issues or obstacles that you're facing in your life and things feel stuck up. You want momentum in there, you want things to start, you want the magic to happen. And the switch phrase is wolf magic begin now. The wolf, the spirit animal wolf, will actually help you to overcome all the obstacles, all the issues that you're facing, and helps you to reach to your goal. Now you know the meaning of switch words and how you can use them to manifest your desires. Thank you so much all for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Love and luck from the Empress. Thank you.